Oh, hello. Welcome to the RainBringsWeather presented RainDrops. This is the 33rd time of the century. Be sure to tune in to all of our raindrops, every single one of them, to keep up with what RainBringsWeather's up to, the shows we play, the bands we play them with, the people we do things with, and all the animals we do things to. Oh, well, not the last part, but we keep that to ourselves. Anywho, we got plenty of new songs coming up we've just written. Yesterday we wrote 2 of them in under 13 minutes. We don't know how we do it, but sometimes the magic happens. A masterpiece has happened to us. Anyways, like I mentioned before, this is the 33rd time of the century. 33rd time of the century. 33rd time of the century. Until next time, continue on. Live the dream. Love your friends. Love your lives. And love yourselves. And most importantly, love RainBringsWeather. So, until next time, bye-bye for now. RainBringsWeather. Subscribe to our channel. Tune in to RainDrops. Listen to us. Listen to RainBringsWeather.